They did not let us enter. What the hell? ये पंखा on कर लूँ? Two very different beer bars. Bro, he just did this to me, man. It was like you're loco. Welcome back to Where to Drink in Mumbai with the OG, Sidhu boy. And we are here, back in South Mumbai, to explore the last few remaining Parsi beer bars of Mumbai before they all vanish. Starting off with the Lord Irwin Restaurant and Bar. So, we have bad news. They did not let us enter. What the hell? Seems like the colonial hangover of having too many rules and keeping Indians out still applies here. So
I was really excited, man, for this place. Because I saw cheeselings and all.
Damn, bro. We're gonna hit up another one, you know?
Yeah, we can't stop. We can't stop. We gotta keep it going.
Well, I'm even more motivated now
Yeah.
to find the places to drink. So, see you at the next one.
Shivam didn't get a drink yet. Shivam didn't get a drink
इस शहर में discreetly shoot करना is next to impossible.
We just don't tell anyone, bro. Just gotta ninja it up.
We're gonna ninja it up. हम आ गए यहाँ पे. Stop number 2 हम try मारने वाले हैं. ये देख रहे हो आप, ये है ओवल मैदान. Bro, he just did this to me, man.
It was like
He's like, you're loco.
chopped unks. 2 chopped unks.
Okay, on that embarrassing insult, we shall try our hand because oval मैदान में तो हमें नहीं इज्जत मिलने वाली. We're gonna try our hand at Cafe Oval.
Home for all chopped unks of Bombay.
Cheers.
Chug.
Right. Okay.
I'll try.
Okay, let's do it. I'll do it.
Okay, cheers. Oh my god.
Oh यार, I've lost it, man. I've lost the.
Oh my god.
मैं ढीला हो गया हूँ यार.
Shahrukh, has he ever done a roll with a pagdi? I don't think he's ever done a pagdi roll, na?
Guys, tell us in the comments if Shahrukh has done a pagdi roll. Let's just quickly talk about this iconic menu.
Snacks. $30 snacks.
Lay's wafers.
Okay. Cold drinks, cheese sandwich, omelette, cheese sandwich, omelette, cheese omelette. What the? Very good.
$150 for a draft Kingfisher is crazy.
Next to this building is Rameshwaram Cafe and Eros Theatre and Wagamama
and Pali Bhavan. You know, like it's all, everything is high end. I think other than this,
the vibe is amazing.
Vibe is really good.
It's very laid back. There's Karan Arjun playing in the background.
It's up there in terms of I would definitely come here again.
Now I feel like this place specifically,
Yeah.
a lot of people who work around here,
Yeah.
post work, they just pop in for a beer and pop.
Yeah. And this is a proper beer bar. We showed you the menu. There's like 5 beers that they have here, and that's all. Like the
That's
menu
it.
is.
That's it. There's no.
उन्होंने font बड़ा किया हुआ है page भरने के लिए.
Should we have gotten London Pilsner?
Maybe
Just
the
for
next
vibe.
one. Yeah, next one. Abhinav, shout out.
Yeah, shout out Abhinav.
The man who introduced us to on the first ever episode.
Yeah. Guys, go check out the previous episodes, man. I swear, like underrated AF.
Very gharelu.
This is giving that same chana jor ka taste vibe, you know?
I like that there is no tomato in this. Tomato always ruins the crunch.
I'm with you.
This is fresh. All that quickly done. Quickly open the packet. Poured.
Yeah.
Put the onion and the green chilies.
Nice.
Is there tomato in this?
No tomato.
No tomato in the
These
cheese
guys
omelette.
are against tomato.
I'm gonna find out what the scene with no tomato. I appreciate it, man.
It's probably expensive.
Cheese omelette is okay.
Chalega, bro. It's that protein. We really are chopped. Upstairs seems like a vibe. Soye with it. My armrest is just a ladder.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
I think Niche was better.
Yeah. It's a little too rustic. Like. ये पंखा on कर लूँ?
I love this place.
Yeah.
Regardless.
Same. What's the scene with London Pilsner, man?
It just tastes like water, bro.
Yeah.
It's like ricey kind of.
That this is so British in its packaging, but also so Indian in its packaging.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like you can tell that this is a desi take on a very colonial design. Yeah. Okay, so this right here.
What is this, bro? What the fuck is this, bro?
Cheese sandwich. This reminds me of when I was 10, and my cooking skills were also of that of a 10-year-old. This is all I could make. But let's see if it hits as well.
This encapsulates what this place is about.
Yeah.
Low effort.
Yeah.
Least amount of work to be done. Do it and give it.
420.
Upstairs review.
420.
420.
Big man's gonna go take a quick leak, and we can see half of him as he does that. Damn, that's what's up. Hygiene is important here, always. We just had a chat with the owner.
Sherwin, awesome guy.
Fantastic guy, and we were talking about, you know, how we spoke earlier that this is prime real estate, man. Like this is, we don't even know the number that possibly this is
Or
worth.
he could be offered, yeah.
You know, like for this space. This is not a financial decision to keep this running,
No way.
right? So just to,
No way.
it's kind of beautiful.
It's amazing.
Whatever that emotional reason is to keep this running. Yeah, but on that note, let's head to the next one.
Looks a little something like this. Looks a little bit like I can't miss. Ay, this is what you call
Spot number 2.
Yeah.
After much research, we have found one, and it's the ideal place to go to.
Cafe idea.
Cafe Ideal. Okay. The music choice is spot on in this place.
This feels like just a restaurant that only has beer.
You want to get maybe a Corona?
No, bro.
Okay.
Value for money.
Okay.
$1,000 I have.
So this is a beer milega.
Amazing location.
I mean, in the day you can see the sea. In the day. There's a jukebox there called Playboy, and if you've been watching us, you know we love our little jukeboxes. And we thought we'll of course go play a little Sanjay Dutt song or something. But turns out, some uncle here has played 40 songs on it. So
They've loaded up 40 songs
what is that?
for the night. They're like,
थोड़ा loud है.
yeah, it's a loud place. Friday night, I guess.
Okay, yeah.
And it's a very family place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अरे भाई.
Nah.
1916 से पहले का है
16. 16.
1916.
Okay, this got something going. 1916, 110 साल पुराना अंडा चिली. Okay. It's my first time having anything like this.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
This is a rolled up egg, you think, right?
But some of the most innovative egg dishes I've ever
Absolutely.
had.
When I see Gelly, I want I dips it. Addicted to rap like crack, no get it, I fidget. Trend like widget, bend like this, together like skill like whisket. Then we get higher than whiskey.
Okay, so what's the verdict on today's little beer bar run?
Honestly, it ended up being really fun.
Yeah.
Cafe Oval was fucking sick, dude. Like I would, if I lived around here, I would go there like all the time.
Yeah.
And then Cafe Ideal, interesting.
Yeah.
It's like a family party place.
Yeah.
It's like when you come with your family, the dads are drinking,
Yeah.
the kids are sitting.
Yeah.
But overall, like awesome. The whole concept of a beer bar itself. I wish there were more. Maybe there are more. If you know any other like
Please tell
really
us.
like low-key spots that are only selling beer, or just like the vibe of a beer bar, like we would love to know and go check it out.
Cafe Oval for me was actually everything that he said. I agree with that. Like it was so rustic, but not in a especially the ground floor. I know the first floor was a bit like
Yeah, it was a bit too rustic.
yeah. Ideal, was kind of ideal for the narrative that we were trying to build, that we were looking for a beer bar, which it was.
And it had
was a
some
beer bar.
incredibly unique egg dishes.
Oh, bro, we're gonna talk about those. I think we spoke about it, but like the egg dishes were out of the world. Yeah, like an egg Szechuan chili and like a tandoori.
Never
egg.
seen that before, dude. Never seen that before.
Awesome.
Like,
I will give kudos for that innovation.
Yeah.
Two very different beer bars.
Yeah.
The first one, you go with the gang,
Yeah.
you get a couple of beers, and then you go and eat some Rameshwaram.
Like Oval Cafe, you're not bringing kids.
Not at all. So I think all in all, both of the places solid wins, solid visits, very different reasons. But check them out. Let us know about more beer bars.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Please tell us,
There's
because-
gotta be some hidden ones, dude. Like ones that people are not talking
If
about.
you tell us about a really good one, man, and if you live in Mumbai, you will come. We
yeah,
will take
please,
you.
we come with us.
We will take
like,
you.
Please.
Or you will take us.
Yeah, you will take us, but we'll pay for it.
yeah. On that note, stay unsobered, like, share, subscribe, and love you all.